The world of podcasting is changing. It's evolving at a rapid pace. No longer do you need expensive microphones or complex editing software. Imagine launching a successful podcast without ever recording your voice. This is the power of AI. This is the future of content creation. Notebook LM, developed by Google, is an AI research assistant that's changing the game. It uses advanced algorithms to generate realistic and engaging podcast conversations. Imagine transforming written articles, blog posts, or even YouTube video transcripts into captivating audio dialogues. That's the power of Notebook LM. This innovative tool is not only making podcasting accessible to everyone, but also opening up new avenues for monetization. The potential to earn money from AI-generated podcasts is immense. From traditional advertising and sponsorships to innovative models like affiliate marketing and premium subscriber content, the possibilities are endless. We'll explore these monetization strategies in detail later on. In this essay, we'll embark on a journey to demystify the process of creating a realistic and engaging AI podcast using Notebook LM. We'll delve into the step-by-step process of getting started with this revolutionary tool, explore its customization options, and uncover the secrets to monetizing your AI-powered podcast. Finally, we'll look ahead to the future of AI podcasting and the exciting trends that lie ahead. Get ready to unlock the power of AI and embark on your own podcasting adventure. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming the way we create and consume content. AI tools like Notebook LM democratize content creation, making it accessible to anyone. These tools empower individuals to amplify their voices. AI streamlines the process, letting you focus on your content. With Notebook LM, transform written content into engaging audio. Upload your articles and let AI generate natural-sounding dialogue. It's like having an invisible podcasting partner. Ready to dive into the world of AI podcasting? Getting started with Notebook LM is surprisingly simple. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it accessible even if you're not a tech wizard. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you up and running. Step 1. Access Notebook LM. Head over to the Notebook LM website and sign up for an account. Google offers various subscription plans to suit different needs, so choose the one that aligns with your podcasting goals. Step 2. Create a new project. Once you're logged in, create a new project for your podcast. Give it a catchy title and a brief description to keep things organized. Step 3. Upload your source material. Now comes the fun part, feeding your content to the AI. Notebook LM accepts a variety of source materials, including text documents, PDFs, web links, and even audio or video files. Select the files you want to use for your first podcast episode and upload them to the platform. Step 4. Generate your audio. With your source material uploaded, it's time to let Notebook LM work its magic. Navigate to the audio overview section of your project and click on the Generate button. The AI will analyze your content and start generating a podcast conversation based on the information provided. Step 5. Customize your podcast. Once the audio generation is complete, it's time to add your personal touch. Notebook LM offers a range of customization options to help you fine-tune your podcast. You can adjust the conversation length, focus on specific topics, and even regenerate sections that you want to tweak. Section 4. Crafting your AI podcast. From content to characters. Creating a compelling AI podcast goes beyond just generating audio. It's about crafting an engaging narrative, developing relatable characters, and delivering content that resonates with your target audience. Here are some key considerations for crafting your AI podcast. Content is king. Just like with any other form of content creation, the foundation of a successful AI podcast lies in high-quality, engaging content. Choose source materials that are informative, thought-provoking, or entertaining depending on your podcast's theme. Finding your voice. Notebook LM offers a diverse library of AI voices to choose from. Experiment with different voices to find the perfect fit for your podcast's tone and style. You can select voices that are warm and conversational, authoritative and informative, or even quirky and humorous. Creating characters. Take your podcast to the next level by introducing unique characters. Assign specific voices to each character to bring them to life. This can add depth, personality, and a touch of drama to your podcast, keeping your listeners hooked. Structuring your episodes. While Notebook LM excels at generating natural-sounding conversations, it's helpful to provide some structure to your episodes. Consider outlining key talking points or questions that you want the AI to address. This will ensure that your podcast flows smoothly and covers the topics you want to explore. Section 5. Making money with your AI podcast. Exploring the options. One of the most exciting aspects of creating an AI podcast is the monetization potential. As podcasting continues to grow in popularity, so too do the opportunities to generate revenue from your audio content. Here are some proven and emerging monetization strategies for AI podcasts. Traditional advertising. Partner with brands and businesses to include targeted audio ads in your podcast episodes. You can work directly with advertisers or join podcast advertising networks that connect podcasters with relevant sponsors. Sponsorships. Secure sponsorships from companies that align with your podcast's theme or target audience. A sponsor might provide financial support in exchange for mentions, promotions, or dedicated segments within your podcast. Affiliate marketing. Integrate affiliate marketing into your podcast by recommending products or services that are relevant to your listeners. When a listener makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Premium content. Offer exclusive subscriber-only content to your most loyal listeners. Platforms like Patreon allow you to create tiered membership levels with varying perks, such as ad-free episodes, bonus content, or access to a private community. Direct sales. Use your podcast as a platform to promote and sell your own products or services. This could include ebooks, online courses, merchandise, or anything else that aligns with your podcast's niche. Section 6. The future of AI podcasting, trends and predictions. The world of AI podcasting is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging all the time. Here are some predictions for the future of this exciting field. Hyper-personalization. Expect to see AI-powered podcasting tools become even more sophisticated in their ability to personalize content. Imagine podcasts that adapt in real time to a listener's interests, preferences, and even their current mood. Interactive audio experiences. AI could pave the way for interactive audio experiences where listeners can engage with the content in new and exciting ways. This could involve voice-activated commands, choose-your-own-adventure-style narratives, or even AI-generated soundtracks that respond to the listener's emotions. AI-powered monetization. As AI technology advances, we can expect to see more innovative monetization strategies emerge for podcasters. This could include hyper-targeted advertising that seamlessly integrates with the content, AI-powered dynamic ad insertion, or even blockchain-based micropayment systems. The rise of AI-generated audio dramas. AI has the potential to revolutionize the world of audio drama. Imagine immersive cinematic audio experiences with AI-generated characters, sound effects, and storylines that rival the best Hollywood productions. Section 7. Conclusion. Your journey to AI podcasting starts today. The future of podcasting is here, and it's powered by AI. Tools like Notebook LM are democratizing audio content creation, making it easier than ever to share your voice, your stories, and your ideas with the world. Whether you're an experienced podcaster looking to streamline your workflow, or a complete beginner eager to embark on your audio journey, there's never been a better time to explore the possibilities of AI podcasting. The beauty of AI podcasting lies in its accessibility, affordability, and its potential to unleash your creativity. You no longer need expensive equipment, technical expertise, or even a recording studio to launch a successful podcast. All you need is a story to tell, a message to share, and the willingness to embrace the power of technology. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Notebook LM, experiment with its features, and unleash your inner podcaster. The future of audio content creation is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it.